All right, where to start? That's the question. Um, so this creates new night. So that creates new collection or new document. I just open them all. Open them all. Okay, so that creates a new night. We don't want to do that. We just want to get the night. So what if we copy this and we put it... God, I should just delete all this shit. It's not gonna get used. I'll just leave it for now. I thought you died. Nah, I'm fine. I'm fine. I think I'm fine. So we want the name of the game. We want to retrieve the game data of that name. But we want to that returns a document snapshot. I think we want more of this, like specific stuff. Yeah, I think we should be copying this instead. So we want to get name, or I guess this would be more getting get game info. So we have a getter and a setter. The name string night doc is name. Do name doc. What's up, Bam? How you doing? And then night number. Okay, so then this would be okay, so this is getting like specific in the database. It would be getting something specific like the age or the time or something. We don't necessarily want that. You coding a vector? No, I'm coding a Flutter. It's for app development. Is our apps. It's pretty blank right now. It's due Tuesday. With Kotlin, yes. Yep. Flutter, Kotlin, Dart, whatever the fuck it's called. Yeah. That's what we're doing. So we get the name, we look at the data, we get the document with that name. So if you look up Seven Wonders, then it's gonna look in the collections, and then you get the data from that collection, whatever you search for. But we don't want that right now. We just want to set, we just want all of this. We don't want just one specific thing. So I don't know if in this project we had something that would get everything. We kind of just had separate getters for everything. Because it's kind of a, yeah, it's kind of hard to just get all the data and then parse through it and set all the variables. So like here we set the data and we just got everything we wanted. So I might just do that again. But like in here we had all of this shit for get bedtime, and but in here we had a one-line return. I don't know which one to do. Honestly, this one's simpler, so we can try to do this one. So yeah, but this is the actual variable. I don't know. Let's just do the other way. This might just be easier. Do the first one? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Well, because so right, so for my final, like for the part that I'm working on right now is we have this database of 5,000 different board games, and I'm doing the search function right now on the app that we want to search. You want to put a name of the game in, and then you want to like just print all of its data. So you like the URL, the year, the category, and stuff. So we put it all in the Firebase, and like if you search for this game, I just want to print all of this. Kaggle, yeah, this is the first time I've ever done this or used Kaggle. We downloaded the CSV file, and then I converted it to a JSON and then imported it to Firestore. Because we initially tried to do this whole CSV file in here, and then this was how we originally did it, was like read file, await, loading, and decoding, and converting into bliss, and like, oh dude, it was such a pain in the ass trying to do a 2D array with all this shit. So I was just like, it'd just be so much easier to just import it into the database and just do it through there. So that's what I'm trying to do now, because that's what we did on our last project. Like, I can show you what our last project looked like. It's a finished app. The CSV file into GitHub and convert it. Yeah, but it's just annoying trying to parse through all that shit. So if I run, so in here, we will end that process. Why is emulator 5554 not just Pixel 4? Why are you being like this? That's all that matters, as long as it reads. Yeah, no, that's it. This method's just gonna be way easier, because for our entire, so how we had it in the class was we had 6 weeks to develop an app. You could pick from like 3 different categories, like an exercise app, a sleep app, or exercise sleep app, or stress app, and we picked sleep app. So we created a sleep app, and I don't know why. Okay, let's just fucking run it, because maybe it just renamed this emulator or something. I don't know. How long it's gonna take to build. But we created a sleep app, and I worked on this output page, which does the exact same thing, where it reads from the database, it gets the data, and prints it on the screen. And I was just like, why would I want to learn how to like parse through CSV file and do the database through that, when I could just do it literally copy my exact codes from last time, but just with a new database set. So it's my favorite stuff for developing an app for this final. Hello, bug. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay, why is this still running the old app? Still running Gradle. It might take a while to load. I don't know. Android Studio fucking sucks for like loading your apps in the emulator and shit. It's so slow. We'll see if it does it though. I don't know why. I don't know why Pixel 4 is renamed to emulator in here. I've never seen that before. But I was just thinking, why learn a new way to do the database when I could just literally do it the way I did before and literally copy the code and change words? Make it so much easier, because we had 6 weeks to build this sleep app, and now for our final we have 1 week to build an app. I'm like, I'm not trying to learn new shit. Dude, I've never used any of this before. This is my first semester like using Flutter and app development and like all this shit. So we just learned all this stuff, and it was a fucking pain in the ass learning all this crap. It's so annoying. But now that I've like kind of learned it a little better over like the semester, it's kind of fun that I like somewhat know what I'm doing now. Before I hated it so much. Let's just do it all separately. So let's just like get the rank here. The name, and then we'll look for the rank. So that's what's in here. Rank. Oh god, errors. Oh, those are normal errors. It's taking forever to load. I feel like the stream is probably going to drop frames when I'm trying to load this app or load my apps. Seems fine right now. I've only dropped 58 frames, but so we want to get, let's just do rank, and then we'll change this to rank. I have way too many rank variables. I should not be doing this. I have rank here, and then I have rank here. So then we're gonna want to get rank info here, and then we'll set rank to rank data. And then when we press the search button, oh, it loaded. Oh, everyone, welcome. Welcome to our app. This is what took us 6 weeks to develop. Here, I can see if I can open that other, not startup names. All right. This is what we've been working on this semester for 6 weeks, is this app, Chamomile. It's our sleep app. Let us help you sleep. On this front page, we got a message of the day, and we have a cool mascot that one of the people in our group made. So one of our first function that came preloaded from the GitHub was the sleep calculator. You can, you want to wake up at 6 a.m. and you want to sleep for 7 hours, when you should go to bed at 11 p.m., which is true. Say if I want to go to bed at I want to go to bed at fucking 11 p.m. and I want to sleep for 12 hours. You should go to wake up at 11 a.m. But yep, simple that. We didn't do anything with that. It literally just came preloaded. And this is where we started working on stuff. So we have in here, like, you'll have a user, night 1. The database will record how was your sleep and put that into the description. And then you can rate your sleep out of 5 stars, put that into the quality variable, and when you fell asleep and when you woke up. And when you click submit, it will add it to the list here. The total sleep is a little buggy, but that's all right. And then once all of your data is in the database, then you can come in here and say, oh, I want to look at night 1, and you submit that, and it'll print all of this data. Say, oh, I want to look at night 2, and then it'll pull out up. Oh yeah, cool. This is what I did. Say you want to look at night 6 though, which doesn't exist. It doesn't do anything. I didn't get to like showing an error message that you put an invalid night in, because I literally did this the night before it was due. So, but yeah, cool. It works. Awesome. That was a bitch to do. And then here we imported some sleep tips from the CDC. Just some simple things you can add to your sleep cycle, your whatever, to help you sleep. And then we have a video sources that you can either get from on the hamburger directory, or you can go through here on this video resources button, and it'll bring up YouTube videos like the Mayo Clinic, or you can listen to white noise while you're sleeping. Hey, that's pretty cool. You can also, they actually work if you click on them, but they're just gonna probably load forever. So, oh wait, hold on. Will it work? Oh wow, look at that, it works. But it's very bad, laggy. So, and then we have the daily diary, which will, I don't know if we have, it doesn't, yeah, we don't have it set up with the database to like record it. Computer combust, dude, yeah, it's probably struggling right now. And then you can like tell, how your day was, what you can like kind of pick what kind of caffeine you consumed and how much you consumed of it and stuff. We don't have it linked with the database, even though it should be. And then we have a settings page with light mode and dark mode. We were the only ones in the class that got the light mode, dark mode to work. We can thank our Ethan for that. He is a very smart kid. And we have a login, username, and password. Probably shouldn't show this, but you know, we have the username and then we have the password. The password is salted and hashed. Can thank taking computer security for that. And then here, let me just, so admin, let me log in. I've never actually logged in before. Oh my god, how long is the fucking string? Guys, why'd you make it so long? And then you put in the password. Oh, I don't know if that's gonna, it's not gonna work. I don't know what the password is, just because I think it's salted. Since you can't see what the password actually is, yeah, and I can't also copy into this, but say if you logged in or whatever. Oh fuck. Oh god, let me out, thank you. But if you did get the login, it would pop up asking what you want the message of the day to be, and you could change it from the admin screen. So that took us 6 weeks to build. Our professor said we probably had the best UI interface or user interface, the best looking, so that's pretty cool. And now we have 1 week to pretty much do the same thing. So that is what we're working on right now. So we'll close that. We will rerun this on here, get this reloaded, and continue working on this shit on the output screen. I think it loads faster when I've already done it before. So what are you working on then now? I'm working on this game. Oh yeah, outputting. Yeah, I'm doing the exact same thing as I did with the sleep data screen, just outputting this data on the screen. And now that we have switched to using the Firestore, I haven't started working on it yet, but it should be pretty easy. Just literally copying and pasting these methods. But I'm just trying to get just trying to get one of them to work so I know it works before I start implementing it for every single function. So let's just change this to rank so I know what I'm looking at. So if I save that, it'll restart the app. Okay, so if I know one of the games is Gloomhaven. We search. Do we get any errors? Because before I was getting errors. Inactive input connection. Okay. It should ignore caps as well, but cool. Oh, I think I don't have the on press set up. Yeah, I don't have the on press set up. I don't think. Yeah, so we click the search button. It will take the string in the input field, put it to the string, put the name of the game into set game info. Go into set game info. It will set rank data from get rank info with the name. Name will go in here. It'll search the database. And it will get. It will get the rank variable. Wait, was this lowercase or uppercase? It was lowercase. Future value, the rank. And this is how we did it in the last one. So the fact that it's not working. Output. So we did night number, the text. It's because I need the $sign. Oh, I might need the $sign. Quality 1. Yeah, I might need the $sign. Might be an escape character. Oh, not happy about that. Change to rank. Click. And we'll change it back to rank. Oops, wrong project. Oh, I think it's just because, yeah, it is an escape character because it's in the bounds of the apostrophes. What if I do that? Justified for wearing your bag. Do that, and then yeah, let's try that. Do the escape character inside that to see if it works. Please work. What is it? Like synchronous suspension. Handle exception. Type int is not a subtype of string. Oh, I might have to do .toString. Sure. I have rank set as a string there. Can I change rank in here as a number to string? I wonder if changing this to string in the database would work, or if I should just do .toString. Because it sets. I think it's because it's getting the value of this, so it's looking in this. It's looking that it's a number, setting it to an int value, printing that into here. So then we're setting rank data as an integer, because this is an integer, and then we're setting an integer to a string. So I might have to do this .toString. Save that. Did it reload? I think so, hopefully. If this works. No, synchronous suspension. Unhandle type int is not a subtype of type string. Okay, I'm just gonna try it in here and just set this to string and see if it works. Oh, no. I do not want to go through all 5,000 of these just to set it to string. But let's just try it. Where's Gloomhaven? And all of these are ordered too, which is nice. Wait, where's Gloomhaven? Oh, there it is. That they got removed or something. I know it's rank 1, so let's just try string update. Let's just wait. If I change it for 1, does it change it for all? No. Okay, so we know we should get return value. It's in a stringy thing now. Let's remove this to change our values. Or change our whatever. Oh! Okay. Okay. It's printing. Ah, is there a way that I can go through instead of one by one and set all of these to... Can I make all these values strings instead of ints? But if I change... I don't know if it's gonna work. And then let's try to do this, change this back to an int. So we gotta try to figure this out, how to do this with an int and not a string, because that just does not seem viable. If I do that to string, why are you mad? Remove await. We cannot remove await. We need that. Synchronous suspension. Okay, let's just save this, reload the app. Let's hot reload. See if this new method works. Instance, okay, we're getting an error. Oops. Instance of future string. Okay. All right, so we can't do toString because it's printing this as a future string, but then the await I think gets rid of. I think this has to be variable. But this is like, when it gets the data from rank, it's putting 1 into rank, like as a string, I think, right? Let's try commenting this out and return. Oh, but then we can't return future string. Fuck. I love asynchronous functions. So this is a string and it's taking in an int, but we can't do .toString here. I don't think so. I don't think is there any other methods that like yeah, there's nothing really useful. Let's see if I can open that software that I was using to import everything. Where is it? Firefoo. So if I made a new version of it, I import destination, desktop there. Target path, huh? No, we need a new collection. Let's do just data 2. Whatever, save. And we'll delete. Oh, I don't want to delete the collection. I just want to delete this document. And then we want path to data 2. I think it's slash data 2. Yeah. We want the names. Can we change it to string? Oh, hold on. All right. String. Wait, hold on. Wait. Allow all? Oh, no. Reset to default. String. Okay, so we want rank to be a string. We want game ID to be a string. Just want all of them to be strings. We don't want doubles. We don't want any of this. We just want strings. If this works, I will be a very happy man. Okay. They should all input as strings. Look at the preview. I mean, realistically, half the shit I'm not even gonna look at. Is there even a point in importing it? I mean, it doesn't really hurt to have it there, I guess, but um, let's do camel case. They're all inputting as strings. It looks like they have the quotes around them. Hetero? No, we do not want that. UTF-8, yeah. Separate by commas. Put that in the data too. Wait, oh, it's still looking at game ID. We want names. So so row 1, Gloomhaven, Pandemic Legacy. All right. Can I make a look on the coding at 145 you math? Well, I was gonna do it earlier, but then people asked me to hang, so I was like, I'll go hang for a little bit, but I do want to work on my coding, so I don't know. I've actually been having fun doing this, but thanks for stopping in, Cam. Hopefully I can get to show you the final product when I'm done with it eventually. Luckily, it's a group project. I don't have to do everything. I'm just doing this part. All right, they finished importing. Let's look to see. We had some errors with importing, it looks like. Then we held hands. Um, Authentication. Where's this then that it's fucking getting? Also, can like we make this bigger? Why is it so skinny? I'll make the name field bigger on here, but there seems to have been some issues with the imports. 2 de Mayo, 5-minute dungeon. Brief history of the war. Oh wait, I'm looking at the wrong. Wait, maybe it was fine. "10 days in Africa, 10 days in Asia." It's just all like the letters. Did it put them all at the end in this one? No. It's like oh, because I actually did the CSV file instead of the JSON. Oopsies. I did the wrong file. Alright, so we're gonna delete that. We're gonna remake it. We gotta wait for it to delete. God damn it. I want to make sure the music's not too loud. Is the music loud enough or can you hear me? Oh, that's fine. I think it's fine. Okay. Alright, so we'll start a new collection again. Data 2 again. We will start the music because I don't know why I stopped. And we'll delete this document because we don't want it. And we will redo it. Book collections. Not that. We want the download JSON. Yeah, see, this is different than how it was last time. We want to use the field names. See, if it doesn't ask if we want to. Can I do the conversion again, but change how I want the fields? That's not what I wanted. What was the CSV to JSON? This is okay. CSV file. Open. Convert. What does this do? Convert to hash. Convert. Array minify. Ooh. No, that's not good. Separators, comma. Oh, this is not good. How can I do what if I just set the variable? Because I know what it's gonna read it as a int. If I just set rank data to an int, and then I do rank data dot toString here, would that be fine? For int variable to string. Wait, oh, this might be a lot easier if we use the escape key and we just have it. Oh, hold on. I've got an idea. This might be a lot easier. So we have, instead of calling or creating every variable up here, we just create the variables in here. And we don't need to set state. Let's just do this. We don't set state, and instead we rank data. I think I need to initialize it. I need to initialize it. So rank data. Stuvar rank data. Oops. If we initialize it there, we fill it there, and we escape key it here, save it. Let's just hot reload. If this works, I'm gonna be happy, man. Oh, it prints null before. Yeah. Synchronous suspension again. Int is not of type substring. Okay, but shouldn't string... Am I supposed to set a string to the escape value version of it, or is it because it's a var that I can't? Okay, hold on. Let's do int. Will it work? No. Let's just move that. Is it not happy? Add cast. Change int to string type. Okay, but that doesn't... Unused local variable. Okay, but instead of just... Oh my god. Rank. Yeah, the getter rank data. Oops, I think it's gonna have it down here. Rank search. All right, hot restart. No issues. It seems. It doesn't print anything. Fucking synchronous suspension. Urgh. I think this is actually the issue. Pause. I might be a really big dumbass if this works, when I could have just done this the entire time. No, it doesn't give me a synchronous suspension error. But now I don't know what's wrong with it. So are there integers in this? Hold on. There are integers in here, like the quality, numbers. I gotta see how number or quality was. I might have an idea. So I created this variable. Oh, wait. I have database reference, which is the collection. Oh, wait. Okay. Yeah, I'm still looking at the data. So if we do just copy this. I have so much commented out shit. I'm gonna have to go back through and clean everything. So if I do... Wait, so get the quality was calling get quality. And get quality was in here. Oh wait, I might just be an idiot. Just calling this take the string snapshot int, returned the value, future value of that. Yep, it returned the int, and then I mean, this just returns the same thing. And then with get the quality, it's just an integer of quality 1. This is just because I've been a dumbass and I just have this set to initialize rank, add, yeah, late. Then we can initialize it later or whatever. Okay, so this is useless. Delete the commented out part. Okay, and now we use the escape key. Oh fuck. Late initialization error. Great. Oh, why is everything broken? Let's just set it to 0. It's not happy with that. Rank equals 0. See, but that's just gonna, is there a way that I can get it to not, is there a way to set it to late? Still display late. You can't. I don't know if you can print. That's exactly what I'm trying to do. I have to assign something to it. God. Wait. I'm making late variable to nullable variable. If I do string, or if I do int question mark, I don't know if this will work. Do question mark. Does that give me an error down here? No. Fuck it, man. I'll just initialize it to 0. I just wanted to show something so I know it works. How's coding? Fun, kind of. Trying to figure out how to display one thing so I can display everything else. What you looking for? I'm not looking for anything. I'm just trying to... It's a lot to explain. I have a database with 5,000 board games in it and attributes of how old it is, average time to play, max players, all this stuff. And my part of the project is I'm displaying, you search for a game name. Let's say I looked up Aeon's End. I'm just trying to display like the relevant data in here. And I worked on this for my last project and I'm trying to copy how I did it, but it's been pissing me off. Coding generator, right? I've already done this. I literally copy pasted all of this into here and I'm just like altering it. So I'm just gonna delete this because I actually just don't need that anymore. Just delete all of this, honestly. I don't need any of this. Just takes up space. I don't think I need this set state anymore. I'll leave it just in case I need to come back to it. But so we have an int rank. We input the name of the game into the get rank info. Or let's just do get rank. Just too long of a name. Doesn't need to be that long. And we create a document snapshot. So we take a snapshot of what's in here. And then we get the variable called rank, which is down here, which is a number. And it will put it into int rank in here. Just do rank num, just to kind of separate things. So I have too many variables of the same name. And it takes that and it returns 224. Thank you, OP. And it returns that and it puts it into this integer. And then is this still here? Yeah, let's just delete that. Any repeat code. Okay, so now should just put this in here. Please work. Gloomhaven. And come on, bro. What the fuck is that? Why? No, I got it to show up once, but that was me altering the database. Why is it? I'm literally doing exactly how we did it. What if I'm just gonna literally exactly copy how it was in here. Let's just fucking comment this out. We're gonna paste that, and then we're gonna copy this, paste that. Night, we're gonna do database reference .doc name. I'm gonna change this to name. Then we're gonna do get rank. Change this to get rank. I'm gonna change this to name. Night doc equals night. We'll do database reference .doc name.
Monkey.
Yo, Cypher Paul, welcome.
Monkey.
How you doing?
You have
Had a cast. Wait, what was string before, or name and or night? What's night? So then it called back to here. Night doc equals night. Night is, oh, this is just supposed to be literally just the name. Okay, so then it's whatever. I don't want to rename everything. I just want to know if this works. Database. Okay. Okay, but in here, we have that fine. But then in here we have night, and then night is a, oh, what the fuck? Is that a, like a category, OP? Record new night. Okay, but I don't know how to. I think so. Okay, but why would I want my? It might help, but I feel like, would it? Do you think it would help more than just being in just chatting? I mean, just chatting does have like a lot of viewers, but. My God, software. Oh, software and game development. Oh, maybe I would make it up here. Hold on. Viewers high to low. Ah, it might help. Maybe. I can try to change it. Because I actually don't know what the command is. Software and game development. Alright. Yeah, maybe then someone can come in here and tell me what the fuck to do. Okay, so then the database reference references data. .doc references this. And then get rank. Oh wait, hold on. I might just be dumb just because I have this in wrong variable. Oops, sub wrong variable. Happy? No. Wait, get rank. Oh wait, hold on. I have, this is also, get the rank variable. Juice. Dude, what is the fucking emote? Let's just get the rank. We'll do get the rank here. Delete this. I mean, these are fucking pretty much the same thing. Okay. What even are my, what do I have my commands and shit posted through? I don't even remember. Bro, stop with these fucking sus ass emotes. What's the name of the thing I have my emotes through? I forgot. Yeah, that. Stream elements. Is there, where is change game? I should make a new emote or new command for demo. I could show off my demo. Hey guys, don't look. My God, fucking request SMS. Okay, chat bot, chat commands. Okay, default, 8-ball, whatever. Emotes, follow age. Why is there no change game? Moderator. Set title, set game. What the fuck is a super moderator? Why is it not just like normal user management? Dude, what the fuck is this shit? Oh, you and these damn. Why do you have to be a super moderator to fucking... Okay, I want to make a new command. Command name, demo, response. It's a funny emote that I can put in this. Let's look at my emotes. Demo time. Demo time monkey. Demo time Dake. Good at Dake. For gaming. So, dude, I'm not adding fucking silly champ to the message of me showing off my fucking app. Dude. We do Giga Chad. Activate command. Alright, see if that works. I do have some sus ass fucking emotes, dude. Oh, we can do Nurge. We should do Nurge. Save. Joel. Thanks for fucking trying it, OP. I wanted to see if it worked. Demo time. Whoa! Why does Nurge not work? Oh, it's capital N. There we go. There we go. Giga Chad Nurge. Beauty. Alright. Back to me pulling my damn hair out. Why is this not happy? See, and then it gives me no fucking hints about what the fuck I'm doing wrong. I shouldn't even need this, but for some reason we did it in here. So frustrating. Let me have example user. Oh, it's a dot. Oh, hold on. Pause. It's dot get. Dot get and then dot get rank. No. Oh, it just tells me inspection annotator options. What is that? It doesn't tell me anything, dude. It doesn't tell me anything. Bro, who is this Red Rora fuck? Why are you obsessed with these emotes? Literally all this does is just return this. Why is this needed? That's all I can see? What do you mean it's all you can see? Got gifted. Oh. Okay. So it's not happy when I do that, but now if I do... I'm on mobile. Cringe. Okay, let's just go through... Oh my god, why am I... If we do dot, from here, I think we do the document. Twist and shout. Come on, come on. So we do doc. Do the name of the doc. Dot from here. Then we collection. Rank. What's this returning now? What's this mad about? What are you mad about? What's the parameter of dot collection? String. Supposed to put a collection reference as wait. You're supposed to put a string as the parameter. Why is it not happy? Bro, don't follow any of those. Those are cringe as fuck. Name. Why mad? Why mad? Why are you mad? Why are you mad? Tell me why you're mad. Tell me the fucking issue, man. A value of type collection reference map string dynamic can't be returned from the method get the rank because it has a return type of future int. Okay, so you put a collection path in here and it returns a collection reference, whatever the fuck that means. Let's just go from like rank. Okay, and now from here we do dot. What else? What do we do next? Dot. Okay, but now we're just at the start because database reference is a collection. To string. We do dot value. Nope. There's no dot value. That's just a future. All right, from the doc, we do. It's the end of paradise. 'Cause okay, I'm literally fucking so much shit up just to see what this returns. It doesn't do shit. Does it give me any errors or anything? Fucking, not problems. Run. Doesn't do anything. I'm not gonna go through all 5,000 values. These are literally the same fucking things. Same functions, everything is the same. And it's just no work. Do, do, do. Bum, 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 bum. This is the exact. Gloomhaven. Just print one, man. Just print one for me. Wait. Pause, 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 pause. Let me just fucking undo all this that I just did. It doesn't like that. I don't know what the fuck this return type is supposed to be. Or why it's giving. What is the return type of get? Dead code. Why is it dead code? Um, hold on. Hold on. Let me. Is it mad? Why is it mad? If you want me, set me free. Exactly who am I supposed to be? I don't know. It only worked when I changed the database from number to fucking string. How to change all field types. But I'm not using C# or any of this shit. I'm using fucking Flutter. JavaScript. Ugh. Okay, so if we do I'm just gonna fucking just what was it? Collection. Guess it's not correct. If we do an API future thing. They rank to 4. Oh, what am I doing right now? Couldn't fucking tell you. Jeez, look at all this shit. Adding documents. Should go through this shit. Create a collection. A document reference. Okay. Document reference. Okay. Sharded counter. What does that mean? Create a sub collection. Okay. I just want to like get all documents. No. I want all collections within the documents. But if I didn't do rank and I just did a string just to fucking see something work. Let's do the URL. So let's do this exact same thing, but we will return a string. Get URL. Name doc, data get. So we want a string. String thing. Cool. I think I'm in love. I think I'm. What if I did do set state? Let's just see if this works. So then we'll add. What did I do it in the last one? This gotta fucking shrink, and this can get the fuck off my screen. So we do the thingy, and then we do plus, new line. Then we'll do URL. $sign URL. Save. Please. Async. Oh, did I do it wrong? Oh, BGG underscore URL. Oopsies. BGG URL. Save that. We'll hot restart it. The fuck happened? It's a string. I don't even know what that error is. Oh. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Oh. I change the scale factor. Does this make the fucking text smaller? Yes, thank fuck. That shit was way too big. Just wondering if he's able to do it. Negative field that does not exist. It's having an issue with getting rank. Apparently rank doesn't exist. You fucking dumb. Negative field on a document platform which doesn't exist. Oh my god. It's because I'm typing it in lowercase, man. It's still not. Why is it not returning? When I changed it to string before. We're gonna put the set state back in. I feel like this has gotta help with something. Mm. Bar rank data. Okay, now it's returning something. It returned it. And it returned the rank. Okay, it was set state that we needed. But the whole overflowing thing with the keyboard. Fix. MW2 crashing. I mean, it works. At least it works. Yeah, there are too many widgets in a column when they are not able to display completely when the keyboard is opened. They're received. Yeah, that's exactly what's happening to me. Just make your entire widget, in our case, the column scrollable. Okay, so right now they have it built. Oh, just scaffold. Okay, should I have it built as... Oh, wait. Yep. Scaffold. What have mine built? Yep, scaffold. App bar. And then column. We don't have... Yeah, we just have the body as column instead of child. Child single, child scroll view. Okay. Okay. So if we have home. We don't have that first part, but we have single child scroll view. Um, for password sized box button. Um, oh, so when does this due? Tuesday. But I got shit printed. Look, I got the rank, I got the URL, I got it working. But now it's just I get a pixel overflow when I have the keyboard open. So I'm looking into how to fix that, and there's like a child thing I can add, single child scroll view. So then instead of it like overflowing right on top of the shit, it will just scroll up when you open the keyboard. So I'm trying to figure out how to add that right now. But this is the only part that I am like assigned to. So that's nice. But I'll still probably work on this advanced screen that we also have. It's the exact same thing as the search screen, but it's like instead of searching by name, you're searching by like rank, or minimum players and like shit like that. So it's pretty much the exact same thing, just changing some things around. So how do I just overall add? Because I have mine all like just returning scaffold. What if we did like he did body padding? Body padding. Padding constant. Edge insets. I'm just gonna copy how his is just so I can see if it works. It's just fucking. So we have the padding. After the body's padding, child. Center. This should go after the children bracket. Okay. We center, and then we child single scroll view. Single child scroll view. Parentheses. It goes above the after the bracket again. And then we do this scroll, and now we do the column. If I highlight all of this and like tab it, so now it looks nice. We save it. Now, when I open the keyboard, oh, okay, maybe let's get rid of the center. Oops. Now we save. It's not okay. Gloomhaven. And now it's scrollable. What happens if I search the name in lowercase? I just want to see if it works, since I know. Okay, it does not like when I search stuff in lowercase, which doesn't make sense. Oh, wait, hold on. So then it takes name text and it puts. Oh, yeah, I guess like you search for it lowercase. How do I, is there a way to change it? Like dot ignore case? Um, If I do, it's gotta be dot. It's gotta be dot ignore case. I know they have different properties, but is there an ignore case function where I can have it so? Because I know that's a thing in Java. I use that all the time. Where I can compare. So if I put Gloomhaven into the text search, it's gonna put it into the controller. The controller text as it puts it into the string, it sets the game info to the lowercase, and then that puts it into the string name. I don't think they have an ignore case thing in Flutter. Because you can't just two lowercase or two uppercase everything, because everything in the database is like how it's supposed to be typed, like capitalized and shit. Equals ignore. Yeah, maybe. Because the thing is I'm searching into this database, so when it searches for Gloomhaven lowercase, it's not gonna find Gloomhaven like uppercase, obviously. So I need to find, like, it's not a high priority, it's literally just a proof of concept. This is not a real app. I'm doing this for my final, for my class. So it's not a big deal if it doesn't, like, if you search it for lowercase, but it'd be nice just to have it like that. But yeah, but I can't. But .2 lowercase is just going to search through here for the lowercase version of this, and I don't want to go through all 5,000 games and change their names to the lowercase version. So that's, I don't know if there's a way to fix this. There's no good function. Split ends with, maybe, what if I did like ends with and I did like, oh no, that's dumb. Starts with, two uppercase substring. No. Yeah, I don't think I should worry about this right now, but it would be nice to fix eventually. Okay, so we got the fucking shit working now, so now I can just, what data do I want to display? So I want to display, does it say what's basically URL, year, category, stuff along those lines. So you want to search for the name and then return, I'm not returning all of this data, it's just obnoxious, but maybe I'll return the rank, year 2005, and age. That's just, don't need to print both of those. We could do average rating, maybe. Average time. Yeah, we could do average instead of doing minimum and maximum time, we'll just do average time. We have the URL. We do category, designer. We can do min max players. I don't know what the owned. I don't know what owned means. Okay, so I got the scrollable thing fixed at least. Wait, I don't know what the, oh, how heavy the game like physically is. Okay, so I think we're gonna do average rating. So let's just start copying this. Wait, average rating is an integer. Let's just copy this and paste it. Get some good spacing. Average rate. Rating. That'd be easy to remember. And then we want to look for average underscore rating. turn thing. So we want to return, or I guess we want to find average time. Yeah, average. Oh wait, no. We don't want min-max time. Variable rating data. I need to change all these to data so then I can have them separate from the variables that are actually named these things. We want good coding ethics. That way, get average rating. Oops, I misspelled. Bad when I type fast. Delete this. Delete all these from my past project. Then we need to create a new. So do we have all these variables? Min max time we don't want. So 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then we want rating equals rating data. Game name, we'll do game name data. Min players data. Max, oops. Max players data. Time data. And year data. I want to create this variable because I don't have one. Min max time, we'll delete those. I want to change some of these. So this is going to be an integer. I'll just set that to 0. Year, this is going to be an integer. Set that to an ing. Idiot. And int rating. Late functions don't work with texts, I learned, which is awesome. And then copy and paste this. This one will do get game. Well, I guess get game name doesn't need to be set to anything. This is just game name is game name. Just set this to name. It's just a waste of space. Min players, that's an integer. These are integers. Okay. Copy this. Get min players. It's named min underscore players and max underscore players. Min players, max players, put name as the parameter. And average time is also going to be an integer. Actually, well, okay, rating is gonna print as a double or float or long or whatever the fuck. Because it's gonna cut off these other digits. Can I do double? Just double a thing in Flutter? Yes, it is. Okay. So then rating will be a double. Did I do the wrong one? No. Why is max players? Oh, because I just haven't changed it. Average time. Yeah, I think rating is the only double that I'm going to be playing with. And then get year will also be an integer. Get year. Okay. Everything should work now. And technically my part would be done if this works. Oh wait, I didn't add any of it to the text. So we'll just do this. Copy. Add it. Then we'll... Let's just... What's that a good order to do these things? Let's do name at the top, obviously. Game name. We don't need the new line. So name, and then we'll do its rank. The URL to find the game. Let's add all this crap. So I don't have to do spaces and stuff. So then we'll do URL. So name, rank, URL. We'll do the year rating. Oops. Year released. What did I say is gonna be next? Rating. And we'll do time. God, this looks just so bad. Can I like just fucking tab it down the next line and make it I can read everything? And we'll do min players. Minimum players. Max players. This is gonna look really bad, but it's just to make sure everything displays correctly. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 variables to display. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 variables that we are getting data for. We hot reload. We search. Everything's processing. Awesome. We hit search. Holy fuck. Look at that shit. I'm doing it, guys. Holy fuck. This is awesome. It's so nice being a computer scientist when things work. And it perfectly fits on screen too. Like you don't even need to scroll. You're really doing it. I really am. I'm really app developing right now. This is awesome. Oh god. Gotta text Dawn. I feel like a genius. All right. Well, the advanced search screen is going to be a little more difficult, but hopefully not much. Is there... I find this shit so fascinating because I have 2 brain cells. That was me working on my first project. Did I... Bug, have you seen the first app that we made? because this class, like the first half of like the semester, we were like just like learning stuff like about software engineering and like working as a team and groups and shit. And then we had 6 weeks to develop an app in a sprint style. We'd have like set things to do every 2 weeks, and we did that for 6 weeks, and we made an app. I can pull it up. So we'll close that. So we made a sleep app. We'll run this. We had the choice of picking 3 different options, whether we wanted to make an exercise app, a sleep app, or a stress app. Because, you know, as college kids, all 3 of those are part of daily life. So we chose sleep app because college kids are sleep deprived. And this is what we made. Let us help you sleep. Our app is called Chamomile. We got a message of the day that we have in our database. How do I always open startup names? So this is our database. It's pretty shit. I set it up, and I did a really shit job about it. But it works. So who cares, right? As long as it works. That's the motto of comp sci students. When we first downloaded the app, it already came preloaded with this screen. So say I want to wake up at 6 a.m. I want to wake up at 6 a.m. and I want to sleep for 9 hours. I sleep for 9 hours. I should go to bed at 9. I want to sleep for 10 hours. I should go to bed at 8. And then same with the go to bed. I want to go to bed at 6 p.m. and I want to sleep for 14 hours. Oops. 1 and 12. Sorry. I want to sleep for 11 hours. I would wake up at 5 a.m. That's just simple math function. And then we have this. This is where we start developing. So the top one is we didn't do that. That already came with it. But then everything else we made. So Reese in our group made this screen. It asks you how your sleep was. It was horrible. I rate it 1 out of 5 stars because it was just so bad. And then I fell asleep, and it pulls up this radial clock thing that he fucking made. I fell asleep at fucking 10:21 p.m. Okay. And then I woke up at 4:26 a.m. I don't know. And then you submit. I don't know. It doesn't actually submit. I don't think he got that working. It doesn't actually submit to the database, but it's all theoretical. It would pop up here, you know, the database description, everything you just put in, it would pop up here. It would be all happy. Don't mind this screen. That you never saw that, but then it would put all that in there. And then this is what I worked on. I worked on this screen. You could see the resemblance of what I was just working on. This is what I did. So I was pulling the data. So I want to look at night 2. It would print night 2 quality. So it would print all this shit. So if I wanted to look at night 1, I would put in 1. And it would pull the data from night 1. Or if I wanted to look at night 4, it would pull that. But if I put a value that doesn't work, there is no night 7 here. Nothing happens. Jesus, I hate. Yeah. Nothing happens because it doesn't exist. So that's pretty awesome and cool. Then we have the sleep habits screen. This is just stuff from the CDC database that is just tips how to get better sleep. Simple as that. Scrollable. Cool. And then we have the sleep video screen where you can watch videos on how to get better sleep. Mayo Clinic shit, you know, sleep things, and you can actually watch it in the app. Ethan did his videos in here, and like the YouTube link, and then this is like the ending part of the YouTube link or whatever. And like, I don't know, he's very smart. So you can like watch how to get better sleep, or you can listen to white noise down here while you're sleeping. The daily diary, this isn't set up to the database either, because just a lot of this stuff was last minute. You tell us about your day, you fill out what kind of caffeine you consumed in a day, and theoretically it would do the same thing as the night data, where it would put it in here, and then you would be able to redisplay it, and you know, all that fun stuff. But then of the oh fuck, what happened? Application finished? What do you mean? Oh wait, this is the wrong app. Why are you not happy? Fuck it, we're just gonna rerun it. You saw nothing. I don't actually know why it's bugging out right now. Okay, it's building. Out of the 5 groups in the class, we were the only ones to get dark mode working. So you can swap between dark mode and light mode. And it works for every screen. Dark mode, wow, awesome, cool. And then we also have an admin login, which is in here. But this isn't actually the password. This is called, it's salted and hashed. It's a security thing to like, if 2 people have the same password and the same, like if 2 people have the same password, you can salt them and hash them to where they won't be the same value in the database. So if someone had the exact same password as us and theirs was salted and hashed, it would not be the same as ours. It's just security reasons, and we thought it would be cool to add to ours. And if you did log into this admin screen, another pop-up that looked just like this would pop up, and you could put in a message of the day and it would pop up here. So, yeah. That was our app that we built for 6 weeks. And now we are doing the same thing, but we have 1 week to do it instead of 6 weeks. So, yeah. Welcome to computer science majors. So I'm going to reopen this. I'm very glad that I got this to work. Oh, it feels so satisfying having something work. Oh, God. Best feeling. And then, what should I work on now? I don't really want to work on making it look good, because I think someone else could do the UI. I just want to get functionality built in. So if we did game search, this all works. So let's say I did diplomacy, which I know is in here. I also spelt it wrong. Diplomacy. Diplomacy rank 494, gives the URL. I don't really like how the URL is like too long. So I just said I don't want to work on UI, but this is annoying to look at. Oh, wait. I have such a sick idea, but I don't know if I would be able to get it to work. Have this link clickable. And on the phone, it would actually bring you to the Kaggle website for diplomacy. That would actually be so cool. I would have to really think about how to do that. So let's say fucking copy this. Like then on the phone, it would bring you to this website of a game. Like this is what the URL is. It's just like the game and like description and stuff. That would be so cool. I kind of want to think about how to do that. Okay, so Ethan had the YouTube videos embedded. I should look at how he did that. Okay. I'd have to ask him how to fucking do this. Oh, my eye. Oh, fuck. Something fell in my eye. Okay. Oh, he actually had a really simple screen. Okay, so that's creating a player. Um, how to have a URL redirect to what's like the thing on here? Google Chrome? How to have a URL and an app redirect to Google Chrome? An Android app. No, I want the opposite of what this is. Launching an app from Chrome. I want the opposite. A redirect. I'm on a freight train. Holy, this is taking forever to load. What's the issue here? Oh. Something's wrong with that. Redirect. Clickable in Android app. Clickable hyperlink. Yes. Text view. My eyes. Wish this had fucking dark mode. Wait, this is not for Flutter. I need Flutter. Hyperlink in Flutter widget. Wait, this HTML. Wait, this might not be that hard. Looking at the issue a little, I found a different solution to implement the inline hyperlinks. Okay. Use the rich text widget here. Oh my god, this is so much longer than it was up here. Inkwell. Then closed text spans. We can actually highlight one word and make a hyperlink. I don't want want. Oh wait, actually this might be cool as fuck. Instead of in the app, if I did it this way, where like I have text saying this isn't a link and it doesn't do anything, but this actually like is a clickable link and it launches this. So if I in the app, instead of having this actually just show the URL, I redisplay diplomacy instead of this text, but I make it clickable and it redirects you to the URL, like, and it'll like open Google Chrome or whatever. I'm gonna try this. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try it. So if I copy and I add it to the bottom, so pad. So this is this is part of the children though. This isn't a child. The body center child and then children. Okay, I'm gonna have to put it outside of the column, I think. So here. Oh, that is not good. Do I need to have it in column? No. Okay, this has to be out here then. I want to make this look good so I know what the fuck I'm looking at. God damn it. Import. What imports do they have? Flutter material, so Flutter services and URL launcher. So what did I just import? Flutter services. We'll import the launcher. It's not happy about that. It's mad there's no launch function. It's just a shot away. Lochner, nice spelling. Hey, yeah. Ba, 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 da, 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 da. Oh, URL launcher is no longer part of Flutter. It was moved to a plugin and API changed. Okay, I need to delete all of this shit. Okay. really making sense, but I'm here for support. Thanks. Appreciate it. I'm to try to quote unquote dumb it down. I just want to make this URL like actually clickable. And then when you click on it, it opens Google Chrome with that URL. That's what I'm theoretically trying to do, but for me to actually do that, we'll see how that works. Okay, let's try this. So terminal, Flutter pub add. Wait, why does it say I have an error on the screen? Oh yeah, so if I do this, will it work? Oh, I did. Let me change. Let me look at pub spec. CSS colors. That's cool. Okay, and now I think now we add the URL launcher. Okay. Oh wait, this is just an example for CSS colors. I don't want. I think I need. Okay, I needed. Oopsies. So I need Flutter pub remove. Let's just do Flutter pub add. Flutter pub remove. Okay, I think we actually want URL underscore launcher. Nope, not. Okay, I meant to do add. Add this. Okay, so now if we open pubspec YAML, you see the URL launcher. Anything else in here that it would have changed? No. Okay. Might have changed some stuff in build Gradle, but okay, so we did that, and now we import. Copy. And we import it. And now there's nothing wrong with it because we have the dependencies. I have an elevated button inside. Inside this. It's like I might have to separate this into two different thingies. Fuck me. Also, the padding on this bun way too big. Let's move this down to 8, maybe. Actually, wait, I think that changes the size of the button. Oh no, I think I moved it up. Here, what if I put it at like 0? I want to see like what this is actually changing. Okay, 0 didn't do anything. What if I put it to 100 now? Save. Okay, so this is So this is moving the button up and down to where I want it. So then we should put this, we should just put 8. Okay, make everything tighter. And then might have to separate the texts into like name and rank text, padding, have another one or have another child for the URL, and then another text. Wait, hold on. Can I have 2 childs in this padding? I don't think so. Oh wait, it's because I'm still. So if I do child text, let's just see if it works. Can't have another child. Or to children. If I do that. Oh wait, I might be yeah, I might be do children. Child text. Oops. Did that wrong. This is mad about. Okay. So we have the text. And then we have another text. Okay, we're getting somewhere. And then I need to have an elevated button. Oh, my ass hurts from sitting in this damn chair. An elevated, but I don't want a elevated button. I just want like oh wait, I have an idea in the main.dart. So like when you click in the hamburger directory, I don't think that's gonna work. Okay, so we want the HTTPS. Oops. Copy. Wait, why is this not happy? Saturday night. Elevated button. Just can't. Ba-da-da-doo-doo. Just copy all this shit in. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Delete all that shit. So this was in the format of HTTPS colon. What did the URL come up as? So if I do Gloomhaven, it came up as HTTPS colon // Okay, so then we could just, all of them are in the form of that, right? Yeah, so then we can, in the code, we can just we're gonna have to put this down here actually. Put URL in here. Let's It's this dot parse. Okay, it's looking for a string, but I'm giving it a string. Okay, so when you press the button, then underscore launch URL is what we want. But then it gets mad when I do child. Why mad? Why you have to be mad? It's not happy with this. Why have to be mad? Child. Honestly, just gonna delete everything I just did. I go back to what I had. Yeah, this works, right? Still happy. Oh God, and no happy. What did I do to break it? Oh no. Please work. Okay. I'm a little nervous there. Oh, da, no, da, 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 da. Uh, uh, uh. We just copy this and put this here. URL. This is not what I wanted. I wanted this button. Copy. I want. Oh god, I need another controller. Wait, no, I don't. On pressed. Put it up. 7. Hold on. I'm gonna move this to my other screen for a second so I can look at it. So we have child, elevated button. Then we just have the on pressed. A lot bigger than I think I can. Guess they call me. They'll call me the working man. Oh, I forgot to copy over. Okay, I figured out what I'm doing now. So I need to copy this over. 5 o'clock with the say club and ice cold beer. Okay, we have that. And now we need this function that will throw an exception if it doesn't work or something like that. Okay, so we have on press and then we have child, and then it's chilling. So if we save this, what the fuck? Where's the bottom of my where'd all like the fucking okay, what the hell, my screen glitched or something. Let's just perform a hot restart. Hot restart. Local module descriptor. I don't know what that any of that means. What the fuck is any of this shit? Okay, wasn't any dependencies that I was missing. Ba-ba-da-ba. Ba-ba. I don't know why I'm trying to do this. Like, this is just so overboard. I just want to delete everything that happened. It's as far back as I can go. Fuck. Where the fuck is this file? Gradle app. Gradle. Build. No. Okay, what if I like, okay, so do my changes work so far? Like if I were to run the app and everything is working. Okay, it works. Any anything that I can tell that I don't need that I can delete. So I want to push my changes so I don't fucking lose anything. Just in case it's just one left. Alright, we can delete all of that. Alright, let's push some, let's wait. Oh god. Please tell me there's no changes. I'm just gonna fuck, okay. Let's restart this to make sure we're still working with the new changes I just downloaded. I didn't realize there were changes. Okay. We are still in business. So if we commit our changes, is that all that was? Is just the one change? Oh, let's delete that change then. Not pubspec lock. We want pubspec YAML. Delete the URL launcher, at least for now. Terminal, we'll do Flutter pub remove URL launcher. Okay. Yeah, there's like gonna be a lot of changes in here. Working game search screen. Bit and push. Cool. Don't keep breathing. Can you anymore? Why is this highlighted yellow? Why are all like the colors all fucked up and shit? Thank you. It's 4 a.m. Holy shit. We kind of grinding, no? Keep getting flashbanged by my screen every time I open up a white screen. Do 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 do. Okay. Do I really want to work on making it look good right now, though? Not really. Bothered. My memory has just been sold. The angel in the centerfold. Just been sold. Angels in the centerfold. Get mad if I do this. Wait, no. So I don't have it centered. Maybe? No. It's like kind of centered. My mother, though, my memory has just been sold. Alright, it's good enough for now. I can make it look good a different time. This is the part that I'm gonna find annoying. So I need to find out how to make these text boxes next to each other because they aren't. So the sleep calculator screen, dreams component. Yeah, it was row, I think. Should probably launch this app to actually see what I'm like looking at. We'll stop this. We'll start this. Sleep calculator. Okay. Unit view time. Unit view. Result view. And then the scaffold. Yeah, these are all like containers and shit. Let me have a list view. Okay, list view is might be what I need. So we have the padding. Okay, and then we have the main part view. That's the main part view. My god, yeah, these are like just containers and shit. Oh my god. So, what's main part view? So main part view is like the inside square. And then result view is the text that comes out down here. Let's just put some stuff in. So I want to wake up at 6:36, 6:39. Want to wake up at AM and sleep for 8 hours and 13 minutes. Okay, so result view. This is actually like a way easier way to build a scaffold instead of just doing it all in one big go. That's interesting. It's nice to know there's other ways of doing things, because then it's message, which is you should go to bed at, result string 1026 and time string, which is PM. Because then after that, then we have the container, which is the mascot. So yeah, the main part view is the I want to. Then we have the unit view, which is the two radio buttons. Then we have rows, which are the form fields, the hour form field and minute form field, which are next to each other. Okay, so that's how I have to build this. Is instead of using columns, I'm gonna have to use rows. Okay. This like seems complicated, and it probably will be at first, but I don't think it will actually be that bad once I get it going. So honestly, I feel like I should just copy paste everything from this file into the next one. Yeah, I'm just gonna make it easier since everything's ready. Then we can also just delete this button. Okay, so now that I know how this one works, I'm gonna close that file and reopen the new app. Game search screen, what you're not happy with? Oh god. Oh fuck. That's why it's not happy. What was it? What was it named before? Advanced search screen. Okay. Let's jump back forward. Show history. Okay, let's just do this quick paste again. So copy. And this is looking for advanced search. Here we'll paste. We get rid of this button. We don't need it anymore. But now I have to rename file to advanced search screen. Advanced search screen. Oopsies. Is this mad? Okay, I guess that was probably something I should have changed. Okay, so let's just fucking copy everything besides that. So then we'll just, yeah, delete this part. Oh god, what's broken in here now? Wait. I think I'm. Scaffold. Oh, it's because I'm just. I think I need another one. Yeah, there we go. Now we can run it. See. Okay. Now it should build. Make the most broke. I could have my laptop broke. Oh, it's good. Okay, so now if we go to the advanced screen, it should look literally the exact same, just without the button. Yep, cool. Mama, ooh, didn't mean to make you cry. Okay, so how can we build this screen to have text form fields next to each other like this screen? Too late. My time has come. Send shiver down my spine. My god, you could just like have this padding part just like out here. Dude, what the fuck? You could do so much shit. It's the true. And you can have like, oh my god. It's actually, I'm actually learning so much more right now than I did in the 6 weeks of building the other app. It's like too much to take in for my brain. So you really should try to have the build return body as simple as you possibly can and just create variables of the columns and the list views and the rows and everything. Interesting. Okay, but what's a container? Yeah, it's the container widget. I don't even understand like what the okay, so the container is like the actual bounding box that it shows in the calculator part of that app. And it canvas color, yeah, it makes sense. Like the yellowish vanilla color. Easy come, easy go. Will you let me go? We will not let you go. There's like text themes and it. Oh my god, man. Let you go. Well, let you. So theoretically, I should have return scaffold with the app bar, background, body, just like we have it here. Center title true. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Just centered in the screen with the background color. Why does it do that? Is it like that in here? No. Weird. See, like all this stuff it has just weird tabbing on, so that's probably why I can't fucking read it. Honestly, that's fine having this like this. Kind of actually makes it look pretty good and easy to read. Actually, I like that. I'm gonna change that over here too. All right. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Multi-line string. Oh god, let's not fuck with that. It's probably mad at me that I'm doing it like this, but it's just gonna have to deal with it. Place with interpolation. Oh, it's all just one string. Actually, yeah, that's probably not. I do multi-line. So that I have it interpolated. I'll save this now. Should just literally look the exact same. Yep. Okay. But if I just do that, does that break it? Because there's no plus sign there. No. Oh, okay. That makes it interpolation's pretty cool. So if I just literally have it like this, it works just fine. Damn. You don't even need the plus signs to concatenate the strings together. Let's go. So then I just don't even need these plus signs. That'll get recognized that I'm interpolating it. We'll save it. Open this. That looks fine. Open advanced search. That looks fine. Let's see, and then it's got this weird tabbing. All right. So wake me. Should I have it so like on this screen I have that button to go to the advanced search screen? Should I have a button that takes you back to the just game search screen? I feel like it wouldn't hurt. But also like just have the back button for that. I don't think there's a point in having on this main screen like a straight to the advanced search. I think a game search and then having this button is nice. Wake me up. I change it to 8. What does that change? I do 0. Okay, let's just do 1. Does not like that. 3, 2. Okay, so we do 2, and now we do like 90. Let's see what happens. Too big. 20. Oh, it's because I'm clicking the login screen. I'm clicking the literal wrong fucking thing. Okay, so that's just like the entire bounding box of this area. How much we want that to be padded. 8 looks fine. Text form field. Is there a way to make it like And it's fine having rounded edges. It matches the buttons. I don't like this font. We can figure out how to change that later. Style, theme. There's probably a way to change that. How long have I been streaming? 3 hours. Eesh. I want to keep going because I'm having fun with this, but like I feel like I should go to bed or something. I think I'm gonna end. This was a really fun stream though. I actually really enjoyed this. Oops. I feel like we gotta listen to this song though before we end stream. Too good. We get some more ideas in the next couple minutes while we listen to this. I'm just gonna push these changes. So the advanced screen, we pretty much changed everything. This screen, we changed the padding and interpolated the text. Copied working game screen to advanced screen. Bit and push. Alright. Get a pistol on your thumb. I'm putting in my Discord for my final group, like the group I'm working with. I put it's degen hours, but I got game screen working perfectly. Oh, this is so dumb. Move these refrigerators. Do 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 do. Just close this. Sure you want to exit? Yes, I do. Alright. So this is done. Let me like highlight this in something. You say that it's done. Yeah. Surely that means it's done. Oh yeah, I should see like what everyone else's pages looks like. Let's reopen everything. File, open, Game Geek. Open in this window. Open Pixel 4. We'll run the app because I want to see what other people have got. You play the guitar on your MTV. That's the way I do it. Would this work if I ran this on an iOS emulator? I don't know why it wouldn't. I mean, it is Android Studio, but it allows us to, well, on my laptop, it asks, like, I could pick an iOS emulator. Chicks for free. Oh, no, boom. All right, so let's look at the game alarm. Set an alarm for 4:28 a.m. Okay, create your game alarm. Alarm is set for less than 1 minute. So does this actually, like, is it gonna pop up on my screen? Then I get like an alarm or something? So I know that's like the intended function. I'm pretty sure he said he got it working, but... Oh, look at that! Annoying ass sound. Dismiss. That's freaking cool. Login screen, nothing there. Is there... they have code written? Settings or login screen. Yeah, I remember Ethan said he was having issues with that screen. Game search is what I did that works. Videos. I know this works. I've looked at this. It's like other videos. Top 10 board games of the century. Yep, we're seeing that. Fucking Watch Mojo. Dude, it's like loading. You can see it loading down here. What the hell? Gloomhaven. Search. So you can't see the results unless there's results there. So let's do like 10. Search. Top 10. Where the fuck are the videos he has in here? Video 1. Code names. Code names. Code names. Okay, if we do code names. Look at that. Okay, so you can see videos, settings, we have dark mode. Probably should have been using this the whole time. View profile. And the profile comes from users. Example, this is like the example user. Birthday, location, favorite game. It doesn't show username and password, even though I'm leaking it right now. You guys don't have the code. Or database anyway. Game utilities, incrementer. Number of dice. Oh, that's how it works. So do like 7 dice. Nice. 2 dice. 5-sided die. Very cool. You should add a reset button to this for the incrementer. It's their video result screen, video screen, profile, blah blah, game utils. Wanna love you all over. Ah, my ass. So he's got the padding incrementer, and then he has the rows. And I'll take your heart. Austin Spacer. So -10, 1 shows the increment variable, and then +1, +10. It's a sized box. Oh, it's like a container or something within. I don't know what that is for. Then we have the dice roller button. Where's the dice roller screen? Oh, he has it within here. Oh. Instead of making an actual whole new file, he's just got it tacked on down here. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, you should just have an extra, like another elevated button that is reset, and then when you click on pressed, it would increment, or it would set increment back to 1 or 0. I feel like it should be start at 0, and then like if you needed to start at 1, you could just click +1 to start it. Or I mean, I guess you can click -1 to set it to 0 too, but I feel like he should have another button that resets it back to 0. Sets object redraw object. Not exactly sure what that does. Is it redrawing the 1? I don't know what like the redraw object thing is. All right, well, I'm gonna end stream. Thank you for the people that stopped in, gave ideas, watched, whatever. Probably back doing this tomorrow, honestly. Had a lot of fun. So,